Welcome to VIVED Anatomy. Let's go over the basics of the application. First, I'm going to click on the New Session. Here I have my three choices: regions, or parts of the anatomy like the head or foot; systems of the body, like the skeletal or muscular system; and lastly, groups, which represent a region of the anatomy like the ear with the important systems included. Notice you can make custom changes to hide or show different sections of the body, such as hiding the torso or nervous system. I'm going to click Go to start the session. To orient the model, I can use the right stylus button to zoom in and out. I can use the front stylus button to virtually dissect the model. Notice you can see the model from all different perspectives. When I'm in viewer mode, I can use the slide up and down arrows on the right-hand side of the screen to iterate between slides. Notice that the labels are showing up, so I'm going to go back to the slide and turn the labels off. Notice how I've jumped to an important feature to students, which is the quizzing capability. The following quiz is multiple choice. The author could have also added other options like the object pick, or labeling, or assembly mode quizzes. As I move through the quiz here, you can see it flashes green when I get the answer correct, and red when it's not correct. And that's an overview of VIVED Anatomy. Have fun exploring!